Hi, welcome back to Full Course Online. Today we'll walk through the Windows 11 desktop. Let's jump in. The first is Widgets. To open Widgets, move the mouse pointer to the left edge of the desktop and the widget panel will slide in. Or press Windows key plus W on the keyboard for an instant open. Widgets are small live information cards, weather, news, calendar, stocks, and more that slide in from the left side of the screen. You can see that widgets are designed slightly raised above the taskbar so they don't overlap and clutter the desktop. The next is Taskbar. The taskbar in Windows 11 gets a fresh look. Icons are centered by default, including the Start button. The Start button still opens the same basic menu, pinned apps, recommended items, and access to all apps and settings. Click the Windows icon in the center to open Start. To pin an app to the taskbar, open the app. Right-click its icon Pin to Taskbar. Or drag an app from the Start menu onto the taskbar. To change the taskbar alignment, center or left, right-click a blank space on the taskbar. Taskbar Settings. Expand taskbar behaviors. Set taskbar alignment to left or center. You can also toggle taskbar items, search, widgets, task view, from. Now let's move to the search box. Search in Windows 11 is improved and centralizes local files, apps, settings, and web results. To search, click the search icon on the taskbar or press Windows key plus S. Type the name of a file, an app, a setting, or any phrase. Results appear instantly with filters for apps, documents, web, settings, email, etc. Click a result to open the file, app, or a web result. Now move the main part, and that is desktop. The desktop is still your main working canvas, and Windows 11 gives it a cleaner, brighter look with sharper edges and higher visual polish. Right-click the desktop. Personalize. This opens Settings, Personalization. To change the background or wallpaper. You can apply a theme from the Themes page. To hide desktop icons, right-click Desktop. View. Uncheck Show Desktop Icons. To change scale or resolution of the desktop, right-click Desktop. Then Display Setting. And adjust scale and display resolution to reduce eye strain. Now comes the profile. Your profile picture and account controls are integrated into the Start area. To show and access, click your profile icon in the Start menu. From here you can switch users, sign out, lock, or go to account settings to switch between a Microsoft account and a local account. In account settings you can also manage sync, password, and privacy settings related to your Microsoft account. In the last notification area, Windows 11 separates the quick settings, Wi-Fi, volume, brightness, Bluetooth, etc., and the notification center, but both are easier to access than before. To open quick settings, Wi-Fi, volume, brightness, click the group of icons in the lower right, network, volume, battery, or press Windows key plus A. To access Notification Center and Calendar, click the Date and Time area, or press Windows key plus N. Notifications appear here next to the calendar. And that's a complete, practical tour of the Windows 11 desktop. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment with which part you want a deeper video on. See you next time.